Other statement, I hope you can see. They say the volume of the cone, which is the figure 1, is equal to the figure 2. Okay, so what is the volume of, so you need to listen carefully, volume of sphere first. What's the formula?
Volume of sphere.
Formula. Still have to refer. Volume of a sphere. We just talked about it.
4/3.
Yeah, 4/3 pi r cube. Yes.
Cube.
Yeah. Okay. So now it's hemisphere, right?
Yep.
So I half it. So half times
Half
times 4/3 pi r cube. No, I don't want the answer. I don't care about the answer actually. I care about the formula first.
Yep.
So after that is going to be 2/3 pi r cube, right?
Yep.
And in this case, the r is 5,
R
right?
is 5, so,
okay, good. Just put it in, right? Yep.
5,
So what's the answer?
cube.
Yep. What's the answer?
261.
Okay, maybe in terms of pi first. In terms of pi. So you don't have to key in the pi.
In terms of 83 1/3 and 1/3 pi.
Okay, good. So this is the volume of the 2, right? V of 2. So now just 83 1/3 pi is equal to, how do you get the volume of cone? Formula 1/3 times base area times the height, right?
Yeah. And
then continue. No, you don't have to divide first. Put in the numbers first. Can you get this into a improper fraction?
Improper fraction.
Means, you know,
250 and 3.
250 over 3
Yep.
pi is equal to 1/3 times base area, and this base happen to be the pi r square, right?
Yep.
So it's pi r in this case is 5. So it's 5 square, right? Times the h. So what you need to do to find h is get this in terms of pi. Before that, just simplify it. So this is 25. So this is going to be 25 over 3 pi, right?
Yep.
Times h, right? So how do you get h? Just bring this over. Divide. So it's 250 3 pi divide by 25 over 3 pi is equal to h. That's how you find your h. So pi and pi is gone. So you only have this. I think it's 10.
250 divided by 10.
Yeah, so h is 10. That's how you get 10. That's how you get the value of h. Right?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So for me, I don't care about the value so much. I care about what formula you apply. Okay, so h is 10. Once you get h, then everything else is the total surface of the solid. So just find 1 and then 2. Right? So once again, what's the formula for cone? This is called the outer curved surface. Yeah? So h is 10.
1/3 times
Outer curved surface.
Okay.
Area. 1/3 is for volume. So outer curved surface of the cone is, you can refer to your formula, a sheet.
I didn't finish writing the cone yet.
Oh, we talk about it, that special one.
Wait.
I don't know why
IRL.
Yeah, I remember that very well. Because it involves the slanted height, or the slanted side, pi RL. So in this case, you have the pi, you have the r, which is 5. You don't have the l yet, but you can find the l by using Pythagoras theorem. 10, 5. So that's with 100 plus 25 is 125. Square root this, what do you get?
135, right?
Yeah, square root. I think it's not. Yeah, it's not a nice number. So never mind. Just leave it like this first. Just leave it like this first. Okay. Now we will focus on the hemisphere. first thing first, what is the surface area of a globe or sphere?
Of a sphere is surface area is 4 pi r squared.
Yeah, 4 pi r
It's
square.
5:45.
Right? So if it is 4 pi r square, but I want half of it, because the 2 is
Then it's 2 pi r squared.
Yes, so
without the base.
correct. It's
because-
2 pi r square, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So therefore, you just have to put in the value for this, and then you add with this. So the r in this case is 5. So you just add these two up. Then you can give it the 3 significant figures. Okay?
It's 332.7
332.
and then round up
3,
is
3, 3, 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that's how you get this.